YouTube. So again, back to one of my older style videos where I talk during. Today I'm just gonna be doing a shorter, simple, quick makeup look because I want to wear makeup today. So hope you all enjoy. So first, I'm taking my Lip Smacker Tsum Tsum Sally lip balm in peppermint candy corn that at one point ended up getting nail polish on her somehow, and just, putting that on because lip balm, it makes the lips nice. Then I'm gonna go into my bag, pull out a couple things that I'm gonna want. And smile at my hubby because he's an amazing person and I love him so much. And he's hanging out in the room with me today. Now, I'm gonna make this look very simple today. So, since I'm wearing a kind of blue and gray shirt of my hubby's, I'm gonna start with some blue. Just gonna use this blue eyeliner as a base for along my lash line, in my outer corner, and my crease. And this blue eyeliner is from Hard Candy. It's the Stroke of Gorgeous Soft Glide Longwear Eyeliner in Wink Wink. I've used this before a couple times in my videos as, actual eyeliner, but today I'm using it as a base instead of my normal white. Now I'm just gonna take a small eyeshadow brush and kind of just blend that, not going too far up into my brow bone or away from the eye, just trying to blend it more down onto the eyelid, kind of with draggy motions. And then I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Color Icon Loose Pigment in Unicorn Wishes. Yeah, should have seen this coming if you've been here before. Because blue, Unicorn Wishes, sparkles. Insert clip from Moana of Tamatoa singing his song about being shiny here. And I'm just gonna put this all over. Now it'll obviously especially stick where I have the eyeliner. But it'll also stick everywhere else too on my eyelid, hopefully. I haven't really worn it without a base before, so, but I'm thinking it will, and I'm just gonna wipe that off, and then just kind of blend it a little bit. Just kind of go in a mono colored look with the eyeshadow today because that's just the way I want to roll. Now I'm going to take a smaller little brush and that eyeliner again. I need to resharpen that. actually, so I'll do that later. So I'll actually just take my Wet n Wild color icon in white eyeliner and line my lower lash line. Kind of making it a little thicker on the outer edge. To kind of match up a little bit with my upper eye. And then I'm going to use this little pencil eyeliner or lip brush and just use that to dust on the loose pigment since along my lower lash line. Now I kind of look a little like Panda, but I do not care. This is another I'm making it up as I go along look. I had no plans beyond, you know, eyeliner, mascara type thing, so bear with me for my weirdness. No, not yet. Now I'm just going to take my handy dandy eyelash curler and really should get a smaller one because this is like way too big for my eyes. Like I should get one of the half size ones. That'll probably work better for my eyes personally. Then I'm gonna take my CoverGirl Peacock Flare mascara and just add a nice coat of that. Gently get my lower lash line. And to get more on your brush, you kind of swivel it. You do not pump, you swivel. Okay? Because if you pump, it puts air in and dries it out. And that's no bueno. Now, I'm going to finish the eyes with more of that white eyeliner. Just go into my waterline because that helps make my eyes look wider or more open. And making your eyes look more open makes you look more awake. For those who are, you know, newbies to makeup. This is probably one of the first tricks I learned when I started watching YouTube makeup videos. Now, I could always go with my LA Color Shimmer Loose Eyeshadow and Snow White for highlight. It works for my skin tone. They also have, I feel Honeydew would work with still palish but darker skin tones than mine. And they also have a gold one as well, which is called Sunshine. but I'm gonna be going with my Moonchild Glow Kit and just going into Pink Heart because I just like how it works on my cheeks. Yeah, it's just the slightest hint of pink, and I just go around on my cheek and then around my eye, focusing mostly on my cheek and just around the eye. And I really like that this is buildable to get the shine factor you want. So just do you. Now you can add a lippy and add some of that, more of that unicorn wishes to that, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to just pop on my glasses and call it good. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it wasn't too long for y'all. And remember, be yourself. Do what makes you happy. And don't let the muggles get you down. Bye.